chain collated clip system. We're going to start out with the hand tool. The hand tool comes standard as a S6 modified tool. We are going to set it up as a S9 tool. We make use of a spacer plate for that, and we're going to match it up to the Apex board. What we'll require, we're going to need a 2.5mm Allen key bit to fasten these screws. First we're going to line our plate up with the tool, and we're going to start fastening. Now that the plate has been installed, this tool is ready for a S9 installation. Great. We're going to load our collated clip strip. You'll notice there's 15 clips included in this strip. And we're going to slide this guy into place and get ready for actual installation. This is the fastening bit. You will notice it's got a ferrule or a collar in place. This prevents you from over tightening your screws. It will stop out on the spacer plate over here, so you will never over tighten. This guy pops straight into your drill, and we're ready to install our first clip. The tool offers 3 reference points to locate your groove on the board. We've got a reference point at the back of the tool. The clip strip acts as a reference point, and you've got a reference point in front of the tool. We're going to insert these guys into the groove like that. We know we're in place. Secondly, you've got a pivot point and a joist location point. This guy will locate your joist like that, and we know we're ready, set, go. We've pre-fitted this board already with its stop fixing screws in place, so we're not going to focus on that. We're going to work with our tool. Tool's in place, all the reference points is in place. We've got our pivot point against the joist, and we're going to fasten. We're going to keep on going until the bit stops out. We're going to break our collation, first clip in. Move the clip strip forward. Find all our spots. We're ready to go, and we're going to fasten the next screw. Break the foundation off, and number 3. Here you'll notice we don't have a reference point at the back, so we must just always make sure that we have our tool lined manually. Stops out, and we break our collation. Now I can install the second board. It's a matter of engaging the clip. Second board in. We've got our gaps perfectly set. Great, let's install the following row. All my reference points are in place. You won't always be able to fit your tool into tight gaps, so we've got a system on the end of the tool that allows for single clip installation. Single clip clips into place there, and we're going to install it on this last point here. Hold your tool in place, have your drill manually position and drill down. Make sure at this point not to drill it too tightly. You don't have a depth stopper in place. Perfect. We've explained the use of the tool. Now I just want to show you the packaging. This is a sleeve of 6 boxes. Each box holds 150 clips. So this gives you a box of 900. Perfect. These guys slide out like that. You've got your barcode and sticker at the back, and simply opens and you're ready for installation.